Oh my god. Anybody know? Still a big stone? Oh my god.
It smells ano?
It's all thing.
Nakatakot talaga dito.
Yes, man.
Hindi, wait! Tinan. Nakatakot talaga dyan. Dito yung kukrucify ka, no?
It's on there.
Oo, wala, gripo lang eh.
Ano yan? Yung
Well,
ha?
it's a well.
So bad. Your wish?
It's my command.
Is it? I'm guessing that's a church.
Dito tayo, tapos labas tayo dun.
This is a church, isn't it?
Oo, parang church siya, pero dito daw nagbabayad ng tax.
I don't think it is a church. I think it is just...
Okay lang ako
Oh
nung...
yeah, it is a church.
Nakatakot naman dito.
This used to be someone's room. It's a dead body. Yeah, look.
Oh, walang ulo. Walang ulo.
Oh no, here's the old over there.
Where?
Yeah.
Tama.
This used to be someone's room. House.
Ay. Walang ulo. Dito hindi tayo pumasok ng ano. Hindi ako pumasok.
It's the black room I walked in there.
Takot ako dyan eh. Ano kaya yung isa na yun? Hindi natin
It's an
napasok.
extension. A stable. Are you guys been in that one?
Oo, pero sa may door lang. Nakakatakot.
Oh, it's just a peasant. It's just a cafeteria.
Peasant cottage.
Yeah.
Ano cottage?
Yeah, look. See?
Dito yung bakers. Bakers. Dito tayo. Nakatakot dito. Ano takot? Ano gaya may kumakatagot sa akin? Ano gago to si Angel? May kumakalabit sa akin.
I think it's just a bakery. Because they had a kiln over there.
Huh?
I think this is just mostly a baking facility. They had a kiln over that thing there.
What? Ay, yung
I
ano,
think that's a furnace.
yung parang dome.
Yeah. I think that's a furnace. Well, it used to be.
Hindi masyadong nakakaano ngayon kasi nga daw yung tao.
Kami ngayon, magang-maga eh.
Yung tulad na punta kami ni Daddy. Nahabol ko si Daddy.
They have better architecture than our houses.
Nga. Kasi yung bricks nila no.
Yeah.
Ako lang yan.
Very thick.
Manual po ng tao lang talaga gumawa yan. Walang machine.
Walang ano yun, walang door siya.
Di ba alam? Yeah, because it's extension from this. Man.
Hindi, wala nga siyang door eh. Wala siyang door, tinan mo.
Parang putik na talaga eh. Pero favorite. What are you on? There's a door right here.
Hindi, dun. Sige.
This is...
Hindi kami pumasok ni dati eh.
Yan yung kuha ng... Oh yeah, there is no door.
Table.
There is no door. I know where the door is.
So, see?
It's this, is that way. Go to the right there. Go to the right. The door.
Wala.
Dito na.
Tingnan mo, baka na dun sa kabilang side. There is? Is there a door? May door din.
Very dark in there.
Ha?
It's very dark.
Anong nasa loob? Hala, ang dilim. It's so dark. Pasok ka di. Ay, puka mo. Pasok ka di.
Anyone here? This is someone's house.
Is it?
Yeah, look. It's actually pretty cool. Look, they have a pot, cooking pot.
Diyan.
Look, they
Ayun
have,
yung ano, may nakahiga sa bed.
I mean, that's just a blanket. Just get in, man.
Ay, ayoko. Katakot.